The one-year full-time EPGP program of IIM Indore started in 2011, and I'm delighted to share with you all that it has moved from strength to strength. And this year, the EPGP program of IIM Indore has actually made it to the FT 100. When we look at the EPGP program, there are a couple of strengths that come in. We have students from diverse backgrounds, and they bring in to the classroom diverse experiences. People from the IT field, people from manufacturing, people from services. And when they come together, the discussions in the classroom are extremely rich. And I'm sure that this particular EPGP program of ours will make it to the top FT 50 in the years to come. And this EPGP program of ours that leads to an MBA degree has actually been accepted by the world, by the accreditation agencies, as one of the best programs in the world.
I'm delighted to share with you that the Executive Postgraduate Program, or the EPGP at IIM Indore, is now among the top 100 global MBA programs as per the prestigious Financial Times 2021 rankings. It's been an interesting journey. A program which is about a decade old and started off with a very modest cohort size is today among the most sought after programs at not just IIM Indore but also within the country. As you're probably aware, the EPGP is a post-experience MBA where we have participants with several years of work experience from different industry domains and who are ready to take the next step into transition into senior and top management who opt for this particular program. The program combines theoretical rigor with a very strong practitioner perspective and also provides truly global exposure to all participants. Thanks to our partnership with SDA Bocconi Milan, which is one of the top business schools in the world. So while we are very happy that the EPGP has been recognized globally, for us this is only the beginning of the journey. The idea is to make the EPGP a much sought after program, not just in India, but also in the world, and beginning with the Asia Pacific region. And as part of our strategy, we would strive to strengthen our international relations with other business schools in Asia Pacific and the globe. And we'll also intensify our efforts to make the program truly international in terms of the participant profile, which means attracting participants from different countries into this particular program.
EPGP is a full-time residential program of IIM Indore. This program specifically designed for experienced professionals who wish to transit to the mid-level and senior-level corporate roles in the near future. The selection criteria of EPGP focuses on minimum 5 years of work experience and a valid GMAT score. The selection criteria gives a kind of weighted score for both the career experience, the GMAT score, and the candidate's performance in the interview. EPGP program is a prudent mix of corporate learning experiences in terms of live projects, case-based learning platforms, which is a kind of pedagogy where we experience with the participant-centric learning experience, international immersion program, and along with that, there is also analytics workshops which add on value to the participants' learning experience. This program is specifically designed for the participants to enhance their skill, where they will be able to provide solutions to the ever-changing corporate business environment. We try to equip the participants with innovative business skills and to enhance their critical thinking capability, which could innovate new solutions to the ever-changing corporate environment.
And one of the big strengths of this particular program is our international immersion program. And this year, despite the fact that my students could not go out to another country, our partner, SDA Bocconi, made sure that the program that they curated for them was actually worth it. They understood far more than they would have otherwise. And this obviously brings a lot of richness to the entire program.